Hare Krishna. Today we are going to hear about Lord Khirachora Gopinath. Khirachora Gopinath temple is in Remuna and it is placed at around 9 kilometers from Balasore, midway between Puri and Kolkata. We find the deity of Lord Gopinath inside the temple. To the right of Gopinath is Lord Govinda and on the left is Lord Madana Mohana. These two deities, Lord Govinda and Lord Madana Mohana, were brought from Vrindavan in 1938. There are also deities of Radha Rasbihari, Lord Jagannath, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and numerous Shalagram Shilas in the temple. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had visited this temple while travelling to Puri. We can even have the darshan of his lotus feet prints next to the Garuda Stamba. The present temple that is there at Remuna was renovated by Sri Rasikananda, who is a great devotee of Lord Krishna in the disciplic succession from Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. There is also a samadhi of Sri Rasikananda within the temple premises. It is said that Lord Rama in Treta Yuga had carved the deity of Gopinath with his arrow for Mother Sita. Mother Sita used to worship this deity in Chitrakuta. King Langula Narsimha Dev of Utkala brought this deity to Remuna from Chitrakuta in the 13th century, as he was instructed by the Lord in a dream to build a temple, naming it Sri Gopinath Mandir. Long ago, the deity of Gopinath here had stolen a pot of kheera for Madhavendra Puri, who was a great Vaishnava sannyasi and the originator of Madhava Gaudiya Sampradaya. Therefore, the Lord here became very famous as Kheera Chora, the thief who stole the kheer. Over 500 years ago, Madhavendra Puri had established a deity of Gopal on the top of Govardhan Hill in Vrindavan. Once, Gopal deity appeared in a dream to Madhavendra Puri and asked him to bring sandalwood pulp and camphor from Jagannath Puri and apply it on the body of the deity. So Madhavendra Puri, as per the instruction of Lord Gopala, he started his journey towards Puri and in between he reached Remuna. At Remuna, he visited the temple of Gopinath and he felt very blissful to have the darshan of the Lord. He then asked a priest at the Gopinath temple about the food that they offer to the deity. The priest told him about the special kheera which is as tasty as nectar that is prepared as an offering to the Lord. Meanwhile, the kheera was brought before the deity to be offered to the Lord. So Madhavendra Puri, after seeing the kheera, he desired to taste it, thinking that he would also prepare the same food in Vrindavan and offer it to the deity of Gopal. Then immediately he realized his offense, that he had desired to taste the food before it was offered to the Lord. So repenting for this unholy thought, Madhavendra Puri left the temple and went to a vacant place for chanting the holy names of the Lord. On that night, the temple priest saw in a dream where he met Lord Gopinath, who asked him to go to Madhavendra Puri and give him the pot of kheera which he had hidden under his garments. Lord Gopinath had hidden a pot of kheera under his garments for Madhavendra Puri. So Lord instructed the priest to take that kheera and give it to Madhavendra Puri. So the priest got up. When he entered inside the temple, he found the pot of kheera and went to Madhavendra Puri with that pot. Madhavendra Puri, after knowing everything from the priest, became overwhelmed with ecstasy when he came to know that Lord himself had come in the dream of the priest and had asked him to give the pot of kheera to him. So after taking the prasadam, he was very happy and he continued his journey and reached Jagannath Puri, from where he had to collect sandalwood and camphor. Then after reaching Puri, he collected sandalwood and camphor and then he started his way back journey. So on his way back, Madhavendra Puri again came to Remuna. There again he went to have darshan of Lord Gopinath. So the same night he had a dream in which Gopal deity at Vrindavan told him to grind the sandalwood into pulp, mix with camphor and apply it on the body of Gopinath deity. Lord Gopala also said that he was non-different from the deity of Gopinath. So Madhavendra Puri made all arrangements to carry out the order of Lord Gopala, and this tradition is being followed in the temple even today. During Chandan Yatra celebration, Chandan, that is sandalwood pulp, is applied on the chest of Madan Mohana, Govinda and Gopinath deities. On the day of Akshay Tritiya, the bodies of the deities are covered entirely with Chandan. We also get this delicious Kheera Prasadam, which is also called as Amruta Keli. It is actually a preparation of condensed milk, cream and sugar with a sprinkling of raisins. Hare Krishna.